We're going to check out the fuel tank here. That's the overspray that's on it. It's not a terribly amount. It's what we call a good mist that's on there. Good mist. Good mist. So we're going to use the clay bar to fix EC2 wax. Put it on there just like you would a car. So precise. It'll show you a piece of lint on this thing. Look at that. Opposed to that. No scuffing, friends. This plain decals here, not hurting it whatsoever. Not burning it, not smudging it, no damage. I'm all over this front piece here, look at that. Alright, paint Overspray Removal of Texas. We're going to get this Harley right, but look at that. That paint is sweet. That's just one quick go over. I haven't put any glaze on this thing. Nothing. No cheating. Simply removed the overspray and polished it real quick. That tank is perfect. Not a scuff, not a line in it. It's perfect. On the back fender well here. Now look, you'll notice there's some scratches through here. You see that action going on? It's normal. I'm telling you, you can just wipe your finger on this thing and scratch it. You see that? How that's not so bueno? See the overspray? We're going to clay to get the overspray off. Then we'll deal with them scratches. Alright. Oh man. Like I said, everything that buffer touches, it beautifies. It really does. No human can spin their hand fast enough to do what I just did to this. You can't justifiably say that you polish things unless you polish things. That, my friends, is polished. Look at that. It's perfect. See those scratches that were all there are gone. Remember, I'm at that angle? That's a piece of lint. Look. At an angle, no scratches. Look at that. And that's just one go over. Look at it. The lint. I'll catch that little spot right there. I'm going to remove the seat. But look at that. It's perfect. I'm going to do the front rim here. I notice a little scratch right there. And a scratch right there. Okay. And it's just got some going that way. We're going to repair it. And Pretty good scratch right through here. Whoa, took them out. Took those scratches out. And mind you, they were good ones too. They weren't no little baby scratches. Of course, I ain't finished yet either now. Don't judge me. I'm not finished yet, but look at that. There were some scratches going all through here, all up and through there. Look at that. That's not part of normal overspray removal. Nobody's going to do that, take scratches out. Look at that. That's just my first pass too. Do not think, there's one right there. Do not think that it's over with. That's just my first pass right there. Look at the flames. They're perfect. Of course, like I said, we are going to go over it a couple of more times. That's all it takes. That's all it takes right there, and it basically takes out scuffs, scratches, all kinds of shit. Watch. I'm not using any compounds, any three-step this, first do it with this, then do it with that. I'm not doing any of that. Now I will put some glaze on it when I'm done. But to do it now would be to cheat. And I ain't cheating. Okay, look at that. That's perfect. Look at that. That is a perfect reflection shine right there. You can't get no better than that, friends. Look at that. It had some good little scratches going through here. You know, dirt gets on it, you wipe it on it, it's over. I pulled this aside, went in deep in there. Look at that. It's perfect.
Buff out this light.
Even the headlight gets polished. No, seriously. It had some scratches in it. It had some scratches in it. It doesn't anymore. But it's got to be perfect like the rest of it now. Come on. Look at that. Get out of the way. Look at that. That's becoming a nice little job right there, friends. Don't want to hide that. Oh, yeah. Now we're going to try to do, we're going to buff the transmission cover and the oil cover. Now she's looking good. Look at that. Transmission cover polished. I mean, it really is polished. Look at that. That's a mirror finish now. Look at my rag on there. Wasn't nothing like that before. I'm going to polish it a little bit more and then show you what she looks like when it's finished product. Now you had a few light scratches on this back here. I polished it out. Look at that.
Yeah,
the
looks
finish. Your fuel tank, polished it out. Look at it. It's like glass, man. You had some scratches here. You know, it's just traditional stuff. Polished that out. I took and polished out your transmission cover. Look at that, dude.
It's good.
Look, it's polished, man. That bitch is shining. Right here you had some, you know, scratches or whatever. Polished those out. Everything in here got to where it could get the chrome as much as I could. I polished your rims. Man, if you could take these rims off, I could hit those with my buffer and make those suckers turn out like, I mean, like mirror finish.
I'm going to take them off this winter and
because it needs new tires. So I'm
Yeah.
I'm gonna have them take the tires off first, and I'm gonna.
Get you some Auto Magic. I'm gonna leave you some Auto Magic stuff, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. But yeah, there she is, buddy. She is beautiful, man. It's a badass bike, bro.
Yeah, looks good.
I made a really good video on it too. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Business cards?
Yeah,
was gonna
I got
send you a
plenty
deal
of
on for the Facebook.